This is our new dream house. I would say my parents, मेरे मामा और पापा का ये नया ड्रीम होम बना है। क्लॉक की स्टोरी अगर आप एक घर में जब भी एंटर करते हैं, so there is a very old vintage clock that is hanging, a pendulum clock. और वो क्लॉक की एक, I mean that is what I have heard, that I am in this world because of that clock. There is a story behind it. मैं नीरज नागपाल हूँ. That's my mother, my father. She's actually my badi mama, and she's the one who's actually enjoying this beautiful new dream house of hers.
Yes, I'm truly enjoying it.
यहाँ मेरी बड़ी माँ बड़े पा रहते हैं, and the biggest blessing that we have is that my father and my bade papa, both the houses have come together, and इस घर की सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी है that हमारा जो ये घर है ये absolutely in between nature है, as you see and you walk through the house. So yeah, this room is basically we've kept this room slightly more on the cozy side. आपने इस घर के elements अगर देखे हैं तो we've used a very different pastel tone in this room, and she has added her vibe in this room.
This was given to me when I got married from my parents, 1978.
We wanted this room to be slightly on the vintage tone, which is giving the old cane tone finish. तो हमने इस रूम को, of course, using with white as the base, हमने इसको more earthy tones use किया है, which is green and brown.
This is my bedroom.
Yes.
Enjoy in the afternoons and nights. And this is my husband's study table.
Yes, my father's den. ये उनका den है. Every element, if you notice, is made very very soft, given a very soft base tone. उनको जो tones पसंद है are more on the light earthy colors. तो इसके लिए हमने कोई भी loud element इस room में नहीं लिया है. And bedroom में भी आप देखेंगे तो the tones that are used are absolutely cozy, warm, and yes, my mother always wanted to have a extra storage space which we couldn't bless her with.
No,
because
I'm happy with this.
My father wants as personal interest to have a television, तो हमने वो creation यहाँ पे furniture में की हुई है. Rest it's balanced with a beautiful mirror space for my mother. हमने इस रूम में जितने भी color tones use किए हैं, और एक common factor जो पूरे घर में चला है is this stripe element which we've matched to the walls. हमने घर के हर bedroom में ये एक subdued white and softer tones use किए हैं, and of course his personal choice is very sober, और आपने वो element हर furniture के corner में और हर element में, इस room की जो cozy element है is because of the sober tone. So that's the feel of this bedroom. So ये जो drawing room है ये हमारे घर का highlight spot है. And the best advantage that we have to this house is the complete see-through view, which is absolutely nature connected. आप देखेंगे तो हमारे घर का जो ये direction है is having a complete natural lawn, and the other side is a sea view. So we have a church absolutely opposite this house. और सबसे cozy element ये है that is घर में दोनों तरफ एक cozy sitting है, where you see that's my mother's morning tea spot. She has a comfortable area.
And I see the sunrise.
Yes, she sees the sunrise there. And again speaking, आपने अगर ये white tone देखी है walls में, is again to give this house a more spaced out and a very sober, soft tone element. Because that's the minimalistic beauty we followed in the entire house. We follow this concept also.
Clock, मतलब then let him see the.
Clock is a green grandfather.
अच्छा, this even I didn't know.
बाबा जी के टाइम पे.
अच्छा ये clock. अच्छा ये clock की story अगर आप एक घर में जब भी enter करते हैं, so there is a very old vintage clock that is hanging, a pendulum clock. और वो clock की एक, I mean that is what I have heard, that I am in this world because of that clock. There is a story behind it that my parents met because of that clock. And similarly आप देखेंगे तो इस घर में जितनी भी idols हैं, मूर्तियाँ हैं, they are not just purchased. They are memories which we've brought from our previous home. ये वो idols हैं जो, of course, the Ganesha you see in the drawing room. This was gifted to my father by one of his very, very close friend in Jammu. My grandmother is going to use one of the rooms. If you notice from the chairs to the sofa, we've used stones which are absolutely earthy. आपने देखा होगा कि हमने greens and browns में ही घर को create किया हुआ है. Rest the entire house is on a white tone. और हमने घर के every corner में, आपने अगर मंदिर देखा है, it's one of the most soothing, soulful spot in the house. क्योंकि that corner is somewhere which is giving absolute peace to every member in the family. और हमने वो छोटा सा element घर के every corner में और every space पे create किया हुआ है. And that is what is giving us the beautiful cozy vibe. हमने इस घर को लाइफ ऐड करने के लिए, I don't know if you see the walls around, we've added these small textured elements to the wall, but giving life to these textures is completely coming out because of the finishing and the clean look that has been achieved thanks to आपका पेंटर. और इससे जो हमारे एक एक एलिमेंट, आपने अगर सीलिंग नोटिस की है, हमने सीलिंग में एक वो ग्रिड्स फॉर्म की है, वो ग्रिड्स को भी जो फिनिशिंग मिली है, जो ये पेंट वर्क हुआ है और जो ये फाइननेस हुई है, that has brought out every small artifact, every small furniture element to my house.
And it is timely done.
Of course, that is the biggest advantage we got, that whatever we targeted was achieved not only on time but before time. And that is the beauty of Aapka Painter.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.